We are live. What is going on, guys? How's it going? Hope your weekend was good. William, one of our members. Hey, how's it going, William? You beat me here, buddy. You beat me here. How's it going, buddy? I hope you had a good weekend. All right, let's kind of get into things here. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research out there. And yeah, check out the channel sponsor L Bank, link down below for that. Do your spot trading, copy trading, leverage trading, no KYC required. And check out the member site, guys. $4.99 a month gets you the micro cap gem videos. Very excited about the one that we uploaded today to the member side. Super bullish on it. We uploaded one yesterday as well, so check those out. Go over to the member side for that, guys. And also, guys, on that side, you'll also know when I am when I'm buying and when I'm buying and when I am selling and taking profits. Members will know ahead of time on that. So make sure you guys, if you guys want to be ahead on that, make sure you check out the member site for that. So anyway, guys, let's look at the market. Kind of a red day today, eh? Tarax is down 10%. Caspa is down 4%. Geez, Bitcoin down 26.4. It's holding. Elizabeth, how you doing? Good to see you. It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a bit. What else? Wow, guys, Quant is $90, guys. That is a buy. That is a buy signal right there. $90 Quant. Definitely DCA opportunity. What else we got? SEI is down 11.5%. Amazing. Guys, there's some crazy opportunities out there right now. Jasmine's down 4%. Wow. Just wow. I did buy today, guys. I bought. I DCA'd into some things. And I will be releasing something for the member side so that you guys can know ahead of time what it is that I bought and what it is that I am buying tomorrow. So, again, check that out on the member side. AGIX down 4%. All right, let's get into the news. We got quite a bit today. First, we're going to talk about, this is from BTC Peers. Proof of work crypto defies bear market, surges 29% this week, while adoption accelerates. Should you care? The cryptoverse was shocked this week as one small layer 1 proof of work blockchain unexpectedly surged by nearly 30% amid the broader crypto bear market. Caspa, the 44th ranked crypto asset, rallied from 3.8 cents to 4.9 cents over the last 7 days. While Bitcoin and Ethereum trended down, what is behind this altcoin's massive price pump, and why should you care? This week, Caspa experienced a flurry of new integrations that appear to be driving its recent meteoric rise. Sorry, a little bit of a thing there. On Wednesday, the crypto lender CoinRabbit added support for Caspa-backed loans on its platform. Later that same day, the popular crypto payment processor Now Payments also announced Caspa integration. Additionally, the prominent mining pool Antpool launched a dedicated Caspa mining pool last week to enable more miners to participate in securing the network. With new on-ramps for lending, payments, and mining surging in, Caspa seems poised for further growth. But is this just another pump and dump altcoin scheme or something more fundamentally valuable? What is Caspa and why does it matter? Caspa aims to achieve the holy grail of blockchain technology, extremely high speed without sacrificing decentralization or security. Most existing high throughput chains have done so through various compromises that introduce some degree of centralization. However, Caspa claims to reach speeds upwards of 1,500 transactions per second while remaining decentralized through its novel block DAG architecture. This allows parallel block production, giving Caspa its blazing transaction speed. Interoperability. Caspa remains secure through proof of work mining like Bitcoin. This ensures no central party controls the network, but unlike Bitcoin, Caspa is designed to ensure solo miners can participate, not just large mining pools. With its rare combination of speed, security, and decentralization, Caspa could become a leading blockchain for global finance and Web3 applications. Its recent price boom indicates the market is starting to wake up to its immense potential. This is more promising than any crypto I've seen this year. Caspa changes everything, said John Wu, director of Off-Chain Labs and longtime industry expert. Its innovative technology unlocks the possibility of secure decentralized finance at scale. If Caspa succeeds, it could fundamentally disrupt traditional finance and grow crypto adoption worldwide. This is more promising than any other crypto I've seen this year. Not all share Wu's optimism. These small altcoins pop up and crash down all the time. Noted Nicole Yang, partner at ventures capital firm Greylock Partners. Sure, the tech sounds good, but there are still huge challenges to overcome around network effects and real-world usage. I wouldn't bet big money on Caspa until we see more evidence it can gain traction. And by then it would be too late and you will have missed the train. Facts. Caspa is the golden goose. It's this bull run's Cardano and Polygon from the last bull run when both hit around $3. Facts, 100%, brother. I have been beating that drum for months now, saying that I believe that Caspa will do almost exactly what Cardano did in the last bull run, when Cardano went from about 4 cents to about $3.09, I believe it was. And I think the Caspa is going to do the exact same thing. It's eerily similar because people were saying the same things about Cardano 4 years ago at this time in the cycle. They were saying, oh, no smart contracts, people aren't building on it, blah, blah, blah. That's what they were saying. They're saying the exact same things about Caspa now. And look what happened with Cardano, right? Made a lot of people a lot of money. Caspa is going to do the same thing. I am super, this is the project it's one of my top 2 at least, probably top 1, most bullish project in terms of return on investment moving forward. Facts, Caspa also has 28 billion supply where Cardano had 50 billion. Exactly, right? So it could go higher. We could see a $5 Caspa realistically just based on the supply, right? A more balanced perspective. While Caspa's recent price spike is undoubtedly driven by speculation, the project does seem technologically promising. Its novel architecture could enable a decentralized global finance system without the speed and scaling limitations current blockchains face today. However, Yang is right that overcoming adoption hurdles remains a huge challenge. Most crypto projects fail to build sufficient network effects and real utility to sustain value. We've seen many cleverly designed protocols flounder and fade away once the hype dies down. Caspa has potential, but it must continue executing flawlessly to carve out a lasting niche in the increasingly crowded crypto ecosystem. This week's integrations are an encouraging step, but there is a long road ahead. Cautious optimism seems appropriate for now. How decentralization changes money and power. Meanwhile, Caspa's rise as a decentralized project highlights the continuing transition of money and power in society today. Whereas centralized authorities used to control finance, blockchain technology enables money and applications owned by users. Projects like Bitcoin and Caspa demonstrate a paradigm shift from financial networks that concentrate power to open platforms to distribute it. This has revolutionary implications. A decentralized network as decentralized networks expand, key aspects of the society like identity, governance, finance, and technology infrastructures can become more participatory. Power need not concentrate in a wealthy ruling class as it largely does today. Johnny, what's up, brother? Johnny says, yeah, and Caspa has no pump and dump is all bullish. With healthy dips, people know Caspa is better than BTC in terms of utility. BTC is grandfathered in, so old, man. I mean, seriously, 100%. And guys, let's be real here for a second, right? We're talking about ROI being all of our priorities here, right? I mean, I don't think there's a single person subscribed to the channel whose top priority is return on investment, right? Nobody out there cares if Caspa truly is better than Bitcoin or Bitcoin's better than Caspa. The bottom line is that Caspa will have a higher percentage of ROI just because if you think you're going to 10x on Bitcoin, you're just not, right? The market cap's too high. And listen, I like Bitcoin, I hold Bitcoin, but Caspa, if you're looking at ROI, Caspa's the way to go. It's time for a new king to step in and take BTC's place. 100%. 100%. What's next for crypto and Caspa? Despite recent turbulence, the long-term trajectory still points towards the increasingly open and decentralized world. Incumbents will resist, but user-owned crypto networks will continue advancing. The big question is which specific crypto projects will drive mainstream adoption: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Caspa, or something else. It's still early days, but Caspa shows promise to become a leading platform of Web3. With this market-defying price pump and new integrations this week, Caspa remains one to watch closely in 2023. Stay tuned. Will Caspa disrupt global finance? Global finance is ripe for disruption by blockchain technology, but can a small new crypto project like Caspa compete with powerful incumbents to dominate markets today? Caspa's novel tech enable it to become a viable alternative financial system, but it faces an uphill battle competing against the advantages of scale and brand recognition larger players currently enjoy. Much depends on Caspa's ability to build a robust developer ecosystem and convenience users to transact on its network. A decentralized governance system helps incentivize and distribute these efforts more widely compared to legacy finance. If Caspa manages to gain significant traction across lending platforms, DeFi, and other verticals, it can emerge as a leading financial protocol on par with the likes of Visa and PayPal, but that is a very tall order. Is Caspa's recent pump just hype? Cryptocurrencies markets are prone to bouts of hype that send asset prices soaring independently of technical fundamentals. Caspa's parabolic rally this week is almost certainly amplified by excessive speculation. However, unlike pure meme assets like Dogecoin, Caspa does have an innovative tech vision that could provide a real long-term utility. The flurry of new integrations also show organic ecosystem growth beyond just speculative mania. The challenge is building sustained real-world usage beyond trading. Caspa has potential on paper, but still must prove itself through executing on adoption. Until then, traders should be wary of irrational exuberance, but with crypto, separating signal from noise is always difficult. So my thoughts on it, guys, is that, as I said at the beginning of the article, I believe Caspa is going to be a massive L1 moving into this next bull run. We already talked about the tokenomics. It has far less than Cardano had, and Cardano went from about 4 cents to $3.09, I believe it was. So that right there tells me it's the exact same utility, probably better than Cardano. So what I'm going to say is that you could see a $4 or $5 Caspa in this bull run. If Cardano went from 4 cents to $3.09 with 50 billion supply, Why can't Caspa do more than that with 28 billion supply, right? So I don't know. I think the potential's there. I love it. And yeah, big things, guys. Big things. What else do we have here? Jasmy squad surpasses 56,000 holders. Bullish news for Jasmy. Then what do we have here? Korean media. Aveda blockchain PC is currently available in Hong Kong. It will be released in other regions or countries, including in Indonesia, in the near future. Before the end of 2023, we will release more Aveda laptop series for the Indonesian markets as one form of our commitment to continue to be present for consumers who need laptops with reliable, competitive, safe, stylish, and affordable PC blockchain solutions. In collaboration with the IT Service Center, we also ensure after-sales services to customers. Until now, Aveda Services Center has spread in 79 locations in 26 provinces, in Indonesia. Super bullish news, guys, for Aveda. Guys, you know, I've said this 100 times when it comes to Jasmy and the Aveda laptops. I think that Jasmy is at the forefront. They're leading the way. They have first movers advantage in that all of these technologies, laptops, desktops, smartphones, tablets, all are going to need blockchain integration. And you will see that in about 5 years, you probably will not be able to find a smartphone or even smart TVs, laptops, desktops. You're not going to be able to find one, like a new one, without blockchain integration. And Jasmy is at the forefront of this right now. They're leading the way on this. So they're going to have a head start on it. So that's why I'm bullish on them. Well, one of the reasons I'm bullish on them. So, Johnny. Yeah, I like BTC too. I hold BTC as well, but Caspa is for this time of history. BTC is like a fossil. Came out in 2008. Come on now. Caspa is so strong and people know it. Elizabeth, big things popping and little things stopping. 100% Elizabeth. You've been paying attention. I love it. I love it. That is exactly it. Hi, do you have any thoughts on about Stronghold? Once we're done with the, actually, you know what? I'll have a look at it right now. I'll have a look at it post haste. Stronghold 304, ranked 1,481 in terms of market cap. $2,300,000 market cap, fully diluted 42, almost 43 million. 100 billion max supply, almost 5.5 billion circulating supply. That's not so great. All-time high was 5 cents. It's down 99% from 2 years ago. So in the bull run, you can get it on BitTrue, BitTraxgate.io. Stronghold's mission is to provide fast, secure, and accessible financial services for all through the developer of APIs. We enable access to legacy and next-generation payments and financial services, SHX. Stronghold's currency is used for real-time settlement, discount and fees for business customers, rewards, and merchant cash advantages. I mean, it has a use case. I think it's got room for growth for sure, but to be honest with you, I'm not crazy about the tokenomics on it. I think there's just way too little. There's only only 5% of the supply is in circulation right now, so that I don't like that very much. GFAL and Joy hit all-time highs. Nice. Waiting for a dip. No kidding, eh? When you want a dip, they never come, and when you're done, when you buy the dip, you don't want it to come. It keeps coming. You can't win for losing, brother. Simon, what's your price prediction for XYO coin? XYO. Let's have a look at what's going on with XYO lately. Well, 96% of the supplies in circulation. It is ranked. What are we ranked here? Ranked 427th. All-time high was 2 years ago, 8 cents. 96% down. I did a video on XYO, I think. Did you check out, Simon, did you check out my video on XYO? I did a breakdown video of that. I think I did it in maybe last month. Okay, perfect. So in terms of price, I mean, it's definitely going to blow past its all-time high and go into price discovery, in my opinion. It's got great tokenomics at this point. I know that a lot of people actually do use the exchange. I mean, I could see you getting somewhere between 25 and 30 cents. Bullish scenario. Maybe 15 to 17 conservatively. But I'd have to do a deeper dive. I'm just going off of the chart I'm looking at and the tokenomics on it, basically. So, Elizabeth, do you think Bitcoin will hit 23,000 this month or next month? Honestly, I mean, that's a good question. Geez, it could happen any time within the next 2 months. Probably next month. If I had to guess, I'd say, probably next month. I think we have a little bit of a rally coming. I was looking at the charts earlier today. I think we have a little bit of a pump coming next week, but ultimately, I think we will see 23,000, and that we will ping pong between 23 and 25 for a couple of months before we get towards the January, February, March kind of pumps, So, Justin, I'm late. Sorry, had to watch the Cowboys win again. I will rewind to the start. My man, good to see you here, brother. Good to see you. All right. Where were we here? No problem, Elizabeth. It was my pleasure. I just like having you in here. Okay, what do we got? Just in, Coinbase's base network surpasses Solana in total value locked. It's pretty crazy, eh? It's pretty new. But I mean, it is Solana. Well, that's crazy though, because Solana just got like super bullish news with Visa, I believe, right? So crazy. Just in, Hedera has released an additional 9,940,298 tokens from their max supply, bringing the total amount of release to 66.52%. I don't understand why people get upset about this kind of thing, guys, because listen, if you're buying into a project, you should already know the tokenomics of it, right? So to get upset because a project like Hedera is releasing on schedule tokens into the circulating supply, I mean, you should have known that going into the project to begin with. So it doesn't make sense that you're getting upset by it, right? Just buy the dips and DCA and, get rich. That's how we do. Let me see here. Yep. Pianmin says, I expect nothing until the lockup for Jasmy period begins in Q4. And more importantly, you see data exchange value working at Jasmy website. Yeah, so like that's the thing, guys. I get a lot of people ask me like, why isn't Jasmine pumping and stuff like that? Well, for one, the whole market's not pumping, but for two, I mean, don't expect anything in terms of this value locked until we get closer to the Q4 mark, and then I mean we probably will see a buy the rumor, sell the news event for Jasmine. To be honest with you, so if we do, you guys make sure that you take your profits, not financial advice, but definitely take your profits off the table. Um, what percentage of healthy portfolio should be in BTC? That's a good question, man. And to be honest with you, I mean, like, I see people like George say that, he believes 50% of your portfolio should be into Bitcoin, but that's for people who got into stuff like Bitcoin a lot earlier. It's a lot easier to say that when Fact says Fact says 0%. Oh man, Facts is bringing the fire. That's awesome. That's solid, buddy. To be honest with you, when I buy my Bitcoin, I usually what I do is I wait. I take all my profits out of the bull market, okay, and then I wait. It takes about a year to get close to the bottom of the next bear market, right? So I have significant profits that I took in the bull run sitting in stablecoin waiting, and then I that's when I buy Bitcoin when it's down like 90% from the top of the last bull cycle. Um, and then I mean, so I in terms of percentage, I don't really look at it that way, because like I said, you got guys like George saying 50% of your portfolio should be in Bitcoin. Yeah, if you started buying in when it was $1,300, but I mean, if you're buying in now, it shouldn't be 50%. I'd say closer to maybe 10%. And just continue to do that as you DCA, right? I mean, or as the bull markets kind of come and go, and you can continue dumping your profits from the bottom of the market into Bitcoin, because at the end of the day, guys, Bitcoin is not going anywhere, right? It's going to be the crawdaddy for probably forever. So I mean, if you can make a few $100,000 in this next bull run, right? Why wouldn't you put at least half of that into Bitcoin at the bottom of the next bear market? And then Bitcoin will always, for the most part, until all the institutional money is in and it kind of levels off like the stock market, it's going to continue to 2 or 3x every bull run, right? So you put your profits, a couple $100,000, over into Bitcoin in the bottom of the bear market when Bitcoin's down like 95% from its previous all-time high, and then you can 2-3x those profits in the bull run, and then continue to DCA through the bear market into your altcoins. That's my strategy. Um, Fact says, but seriously, why buy Bitcoin? You can literally buy Quant, Ethereum, Caspa, etc., and way cheaper prices that will also net you way more return than BTC. Ignore the BTC maxis. Yeah, exactly right. And yeah, Fax is hitting the nail right on the head of what I'm saying here. He says, unless you have like 50K or 100K laying around, I wouldn't buy a dime. Yeah, exactly right. Because guys, the way you have to look at it is like this: you're into crypto early, but you're not in Bitcoin early. None of us are. Who are just like, if you guys are getting in the last year or two, you're not early into Bitcoin itself, right? So if you have 5 grand, why would you put half of that? Why would you put 2,500 of it into Bitcoin going into a bull run? You're only going to 2 to 3x that $2,500, right? So you're going to walk away with $7,500 at best of that 2,500 that you put into BTC. When you could dump it into projects like Caspa, and so on, XRP, Cardano, whatever it is, right? And you can 100x that, right, with something like Caspa. You know what I mean? And then again, you put your big profits in the bear market at the bottom. Then when you have a couple $100,000, then you buy Bitcoin, right? You buy 3 or 4 full Bitcoins, put them on a ledger or something like that to keep them safe, and then in the next bear market, start DCAing again, right? Fact says, that's it, bro. I said it. We're into crypto early, but not BTC. We used BTC to pump or other cheaper bags. 100%, man. Exactly. Cute Story says, buy Jasmine in the next 2 months. Oh, yeah, definitely. You should be filling your bags with everything every project that you want to make sure you have full bags on going into the next bull run. Now is your like last chance to fill those bags over the next couple of months, because once we hit January, February, March, guys, go back and check out the video that I did about 2 weeks ago about the Bitcoin halving, right? Go watch that video, and if you don't know anything about it or what's going to happen leading up to it and after it, go check out that video, because it's definitely going to let you know that January, February, March next year, right, leading up to April when we have the halving, we're going to start going up for those 3 months, climbing up into the halving, kind of like a buy the rumor, sell the news event, right? And then when we get to the halving, then we'll see a sell-off again, and then we'll crab sideways for a few months, right? But you're going to see January, February, March, a buy the rumor, sell the news event for Bitcoin. So this little window right now between now and the end of the year is all you have left to make sure that you're DCAing into the projects that you believe in, right? Whether it's Jasmine or Casper or XRP or XLM or Cardano, whatever it is, right? Get your positions solidified as quickly as you can, because we're running out of time. Johnny says, I got into BTC at $100. Just kidding. Bought a little BTC at 69. I was a noob back then. Everybody was a noob at some point, brother. Let's get into this. Big XRP news, anyways, guys. SBI Remit, XRP-based international money transfer service using Ripple's payments solution to gradually expand in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia. SBI Remit Co. Ltd. Head office, an international remittance service provider of SBI Group, SBI VC Trade Co. Okay, a crypto asset exchange business operator. Okay, it's just giving me the rundown for SBI. Since 2017, SBI Remit has been utilizing Ripple payments provided by Ripple for its international money transfer services. In 2021, SBI Remit was the first international money transfer service provider in Japan to use Ripple Payments, crypto-enabled payment solution, which utilizes the crypto asset XRP as a bridge between two fiat currencies to perform cross-border remittance from Japan to the digital wallet in the Philippines. This time, the scope of it will be enhanced to bank accounts in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, with these countries receiving a large share of remittance to bank accounts. This is expected to drive further adoption. For this go-live scheme, our SBI Remit will send the customer's payments request, and SBI VC Trade will send XRP in response to the request in real time. Tranglo, PET Ltd., a leading cross-border payments provider, will process the customer's payout requests from SBI Remit and pay out the beneficiary's bank account in the receiving country. By leveraging XRP as a bridge currency, SBI Remit is also to diminish the cost of pre-funding destination accounts. In addition, this has excellent scalability as money can be easily transferred to Ripple's partners around the world. We believe that this will lead to strengthening our competitiveness in the international money transfer business. In the future, SBI Remit will continue to strive to expand to additional remittance destinations, as well as enhance corporate business payments and inbound transactions to partnerships with Ripple and other fintech players. Ripple Payments, a system for international remittance provided by Ripple. This system implements a function to use XRP as a bridge currency, enabling minimization of transaction costs and realizing real-time settlements. And 2, XRP, the digital asset utilized in Ripple's payment solutions for international money transfers. The XRPL is capable of processing a payment order from 1,500 transactions per second and can complete a payment within 4 seconds. So big news, guys, out of SBI Remit, again, using the XRPL through the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, which is going to continue to promote adoption of the asset. Hopefully, have a significant impact on the price at some point. In a bull market, anyway. Marco Johanning says, I fell in love with Kaspa. Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. Here's why. Kaspa is not a product. Its purpose is not to make money for a company. First, bookmark this thread. Then, yeah, okay, so Kaspa is not a blockchain. It uses a revolutionary block DAG structure. Through this, it is the fastest and most scalable intent confirmation transaction layer ever built on a proof of work engine. Kaspa stays true to Satoshi's principles: proof of work mining, UTXO based isolated state, deflationary monetary policy, no pre-mining, no central control. Blockchains always have to compromise on one of 3 core aspects: decentralization, security, or speed, the blockchain trilemma. With its block DAG structure, it circumvents the traditional trade-off of blockchains to solve the trilemma. No, I agree with him. I definitely agree with him. And guys, again, the one thing that he's leaving out is the ROI potential as well, right? So, as we've already discussed, love Kaspa. Charles Gasparino, usually the guy's a windbag, but he's got an article here. It says, what makes Gary Gensler's SEC so dangerous is the time spent busting virtual financial for a victimless crime, as people lost 99% of their money believing stock pumping surrounding AMC and SEC Gov ceased being an investor protection agency. Exactly. They have ceased being a investor protection agency since Gary Gensler took over. So this is from New York Post. Gary Gensler is making the SEC into a banana republic. Shots fired. When you think of a banana republic, you think of corrupt dictators someplace distant, where the people in power control the economy and jail their potential opponents. Places like this still exist in the world. And believe it or not, right here in the good old US of A. Don't believe me? Consider the absurd campaign finance fraud case that partisan Democrat Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg brought against Donald. I'm not going to say his name, but DT. Bragg, I'm not going to say his name because, guys, I don't want to get crap from YouTube for talking politics. So, don't believe me? Consider the absurd campaign finance fraud case. Oh, I already read that part. Okay, so well, I'll say his name. Trump, as he campaigns for the White House, could go to jail because of a $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels. It is a real banana republic stuff. Even more banana republic is Bragg's broader policy to indict political opponents while he lets violent criminals roam free as one of the most progressive prosecutors in the country. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler deserves a place in our country's Banana Republic Hall of Fame as well. Gensler has, of course, been flirting with Banana Republic status for some time. He is regulating crypto through enforcement. He also is looking to change decades of securities laws by forcing major companies to expand their disclosures beyond financial information to include how they're addressing climate change and other progressive policy goals. The SEC chief is supported by the Wall Street top cop, but like Bragg, Gensler has chosen to ignore real malfeasance, such as the obvious pumping and dumping we've seen in some meme stocks, costing generational wealth for some investors who believed the pumpers. Yet, what puts Gensler firmly in the Banana Republic camp is his latest prosecution of something that's pretty prosaic. The functional equivalent of a books and records violation committed by a trading firm named Virtue. According to this securities lawyers I spoke to last week, Gensler's SEC tried to make Virtual's faux pas into a crime of the century. Why? Well, maybe it begins with the fact that Virtue is run by a guy named Doug Sifu, who has been critical of Gensler's bizarre reign as SEC chief. Yes, real Banana Republic stuff in this one. Saifu is a rare CEO that in that he runs a profitable business and he speaks his mind. Virtue is a market maker, a trading firm that matches buyers and sellers of stocks. It also employs people to trade stocks using the company's capital. It is one of the top firms involved in computerized high-speed trading, which is controversial to some, but not to people who know how markets work. Simply Chris, have you read anything new about Blue? I covered Blue in a live stream. I want to say about a week and a half ago I covered it, but I haven't heard anything new about it. I could look into it though and see if there's any updates on it. AMA going live 1 p.m. Check it out. 67-year-old dev bringing utility in the space through healthcare tokenizing. Yeah, I did do a deep dive into Blue, Chris. You'd have to check it. I'll go back and I'll look at the date. I think it was in a live stream. Actually, no, sorry, it wasn't. It was in a video about 2 weeks ago. I'll try to find it and I'll link it in my video maybe tomorrow for you so you can check it out. I did a deep dive into the project. Alpha, when Moon. Hopefully soon, brother. Hopefully soon, man. Chris, week-old project devs talk like Vitalik asked him what's next in crypto. Vitalik responded with healthcare. Yeah, the thing is, Chris, is that I've been saying it for a while now that I believe that not this bull run coming up in 2025, but I do believe 2029, one of the primary storylines going into the 2029 bull run is going to be decentralized science. It's going to be big, I think, coming. It's just in its infantile stages right now. But I think in the next 3 to 4 years, we're going to start seeing a lot of these DeSci projects popping up. And I would say scoop up as many as you can in the next bottom of the next bear market, because decentralized science is going to be a big theme going into the 2029, 2030 bull run, in my opinion. So definitely. Blue is just on the cutting edge of that right now. So yeah, what else do we got going on here? Bitcoin Magazine. $1.3 trillion Deutsche Bank to offer Bitcoin and crypto custody for institutions. According to a report, According to a report by Reuters, German banking giant Deutsche Bank has partnered with Swiss cryptocurrency firm Taurus to offer Bitcoin and crypto custody to other related services to its international clients. As the digital asset space is expected to encompass trillions of dollars of assets, it's bound to be seen as one of the priorities for investors and corporations alike, said Deutsche Bank Global Head of Securities Services Paul Meillet Meili. Our focus is not just on cryptocurrencies, but supporting our clients in the overall digital asset ecosystem. The announcement also comes at a time when regulatory clarity around the industry is improving. Governments and financial regulators worldwide have been working to establish clear guidelines for the use and trading of digital assets. According to the report, Deutsche Bank is proceeding cautiously and in line with the spirit of the letter of their regulations governing this asset class. Meili went on to further explain that our product design and nature of the custody for our clients will make sure that there isn't the risk of contaminating the bank's other activities. Bitcoin continues gaining momentum and recognition as a legitimate asset class, with the asset becoming a very attractive investment option for hedge funds, family offices, and other institutional investors. Deutsche Bank decision to enter this market is seen as a strategic move to capture the share of this market. KK, Crypto Land. Hello, Crypto Land. What's up, KK? Bloody week coming up. Have money ready, 100%. Actually, I'm thinking we could see a bit of a pump, man. I think we could see a bit of a pump. You never know. Alpha, why so much bullish news on XRP but charts is red? Because we're in a bear market, my friend. You can't have the entire asset class kind of in the red and dumping, and news is kind of irrelevant at this point. I read a quote the other day that kind of answers your question, and it was that what did it say? It said news doesn't dictate the charts, liquidity does, and there's just no money in the asset. I think we even dipped below $1 trillion last week, didn't we? So what I would say to that, my friend, is it is a DCA opportunity, definitely. We are going to see a $7 to $13 XRP, in my opinion. So definitely worth making sure that you hold a decent sized bag. KK says it's September. Yeah, no, it's Rectember, brother. It's Rectember. We will, for the most part, see an absolutely bloody month of September for sure in the market, but could see a little bit of a relief rally before we have another leg down. At some point, we were discussing earlier, at some point we will see 23,000 for Bitcoin. Definitely. AVAX is dumping, Johnny says. Let's have a look at AVAX. Oh yeah, down 4.5% today. It's a good DCA opportunity. If I'm picking three, excuse me. If I'm picking 3 DCAs this evening, guys, I'm looking at, I got my eye on SEI Network, down almost 9% right now. Taraxa's down 13%. HBAR is down 4%. Those are the ones I'd be looking at right now. Those are the ones that are down the most, that are on my watch list. So yeah, I did buy some crypto today, guys, and I'm going to be buying some more tomorrow. I'm going to release what I bought today and what I'm going to buy tomorrow over on the member side. So if you want to be up to date on that kind of stuff, check out the member side, guys. Alpha says, yes, I opened a buy position, future position. Nice. Very nice, man. KK, buy, then buy more. Yep. Buy it up. Buy the pain, guys. Buy the pain. All right. We got some Forbes news here. Fed now has launched as blockchain innovation delivers next-gen instant payments. After 5 years in development, the U.S. Federal Reserve has launched FedNow in July, the first government real-time payment system in the U.S. The service allows banks and credit unions to transfer money from their customers instantly, working alongside existing systems like FedWire and Fed ACH. FedNow aims to improve the U.S.'s interbank and retail transaction infrastructure, speeding up tasks like tax returns and other proportioned benefits, purported benefits, of this framework. Eliminating processing delays for the better user experience is FedNow's main focus. Fintech firms like PayPal, peer-to-peer platforms like Venmo and Cash App, and private entities like Real-Time Payments Network by the Clearinghouse filled the instant payment gap in the U.S. for several years now. However, more support was required in the back-end infrastructure to make it happen. FedNow and blockchain's common goal. Though FedNow doesn't use blockchain technology, its goal is similar to ongoing innovations in the blockchain space, enabling instant peer-to-peer transfers and low-cost payments. Reports of the FedNow laying groundwork for a potential central bank digital currency in the U.S. has been denied, but it may be too early to conclude, as there's merit to the possible FedNow and digital dollar overlap in the future. KK says, speeding up payments so we can control what you spend it on. Fed not now. 100%. 100%, man. Blockchain technologies could deploy FedNow as the infrastructure for fiat on-ramps or off-ramps. Now, the FedNow service providers showcase an online resource connecting financial institutions and instant payment service providers. Recently featured Drop, a Hedera-based micropayments platform. Earlier, Tassat Blockchain announced its plan to build an API that'll help clients access FedNow for real-time fiat settlements. And the reason that I just wanted to bring this up, guys, was just to remind you that they are working with Hedera. Bullish news for HBAR, right? I hold a lot of HBAR. I plan on buying more HBAR because HBAR is going to make me a lot of money in this next bull run. Alpha, just let them pump the crypto market, then dump on 100%. Give them a taste of their own medicine, right? See how they like it. Okay. Make sure you guys smash that like and smash the subscribe button, guys. Smashy. So what do you guys want to talk about? What do you guys want me to look at? Any projects you guys have any questions about? Want to see some tokenomics before I get out of here? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Exactly. Yeah, we'll dump on them. Screw them. Let me know what you guys want me to look at here. And XRP. Yeah, no kidding, eh? There is something that I kind of, it's been really irritating me on X and YouTube over the last couple of days involving XRP is that, and I spoke on this in the last couple of videos, but I might as well bring it up here. So, like, with this rumor going around about like BlackRock and XRP and stuff like that, and I kind of broke it down in yesterday's video, I think. But the thing is, so I'm seeing a lot of these influencers that are very, very black and white, no gray area, no room for middle ground at all, right? And I'm not going to specifically call any of them out, but a lot of them are actually XRP influencers who enjoy XRP and stuff. But to have a single tunnel vision mindset is very, very easy way to get wrecked, right? Or to miss out on opportunities. And when I say that, what I'm talking about is the article like that I went over the other day. I think it was entitled something to the effect of BlackRock considering abandoning Bitcoin to buy XRP or something like that, right? And immediately you get all of these influencers saying, calling people stupid and saying, BlackRock's not buying XRP. They're not buying XRP, right? Now, for me, the way that I kind of look at it is like, look, BlackRock's not abandoning Bitcoin to buy XRP, okay? That part of it, 100%, right? But there's truth in everything, right? It's just degrees. That doesn't mean for one split second that BlackRock's not buying Ethereum and that they're not buying XRP as well as buying Bitcoin, right? Like, are they abandoning Bitcoin to buy XRP? No, probably not. Well, not probably not. 100% not, right? But to say, they're not buying XRP, well, they have a lot of money. They can buy both. And I can guarantee you they're probably buying Ethereum too, right? So you can't have tunnel vision with this stuff and just go, they're either, abandoning Bitcoin and buying XRP, or they're just not buying XRP at all. No, there's a gray area. They can buy both, right? They have the money. They can buy Bitcoin, they can buy Ethereum, they can buy XRP, they can buy Cardano, they can buy CAS, they can buy whatever the hell they want. They have the money. They don't have to choose one. That's what's missed on a lot of these influencers, right? And they say, nope, 100% it's not happening. You don't know that. I mean, I don't know that they are, but you don't know that they're not. You're just guessing, same as I am, right? So that's been irritating me a little bit, that they're saying that kind of thing. Like, open your mind a little more to more than just yes or no answers, basically, right? Alpha, appreciate your time. 100%, man. I appreciate you acknowledging that, brother. Thank you very much. AVAX. Yeah, AVAX is dumping right now, man. I think it's down. We just looked at it. It's down like 4.5% or something like that. Yeah, 4.5%. AVAX is a good DCA in my opinion. It's not a terrible project to hold. I'm not crazy about the team, but at the same time, I don't care. They're a solid team. I don't care who they are as people. If they can make me money, then, awesome. Influencers are idiots, to be honest. Except me, right? Except this guy. Who has two thumbs and's not an idiot? This guy. KK, so XCN has had 5 million bought up in a big chunk. Someone is planning something. XCN. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Up 3%. 307. 7,000th of a cent. $20 million market cap. 37 fully diluted. Max supply 48 billion, circulating supply 26 billion. Down 99% from its all-time high a year ago, 18 cents. Well, I mean, it could be an exchange listing or something like that that's starting to pick up liquidity, right? But it's already on Coinbase and BitHub, Gate.io. Could be something like BitTrue or KuCoin or who knows, right? LBank, channel sponsor. See what I did there? Alpha, BlackRock's not going to make public announcements about what they're buying. Exactly. Right? It's all just best guess. When everybody's selling, they will buy low. Yep. And they have experience in manipulation. 100%. You're not an influencer, LOL. We just chilling. Yeah, no kidding, eh? I don't influence nothing. I'm influenced by you guys. You guys are a bad influence on me. Well, I mean, as far as XCN is concerned, I mean, yeah, maybe we have an exchange listing coming or something, but I mean, it's been fairly, geez, I mean, it's been fairly dead since January of this year, right? It's just been like flatlined when you zoom out on the charts. But we are like, there's been almost no volatility at all. I don't know. Maybe it's about to pump. I mean, it is a bullish project, so I mean, I guess we'll see. Hmm. Any of you guys holding XCN? Let me know. XCN's coin, but it's being set up. Yeah, I mean, if some, I don't know why. So like a big purchase like that, somebody's got some confidence. Maybe somebody knows something, right? Hmm. Who knows? Make sure you smash the like and subscribe, guys. Show a brother some love. Check out the member side, $4.99 a month. Supports the channel. Enables me to do. I like doing these deep dives, guys, and the people on the like you guys on the member side. You guys have been watching the breakdown videos and stuff like that I've been doing on the micro cap gems and stuff like that I'm bullish on. I like to spend that time doing that, and more members we have, the more time I can spend doing those videos for you guys. So check that stuff out. Johnny, one of our members. I keep insisting on OCAI, only 100 million tokens total circulation. How is it even possible the token is a hidden gem? 100% actually. I think I just did a video on OCAI recently, didn't I? Johnny, over on the member side? I might have. I might not have uploaded. Maybe I haven't uploaded it yet. That's why it's, Well, that one's coming. Surprise, Johnny. I got quite a few gems coming, guys. Some pre-recorded videos, gems for the member side there. So OCAI is definitely one of them, Johnny. So stay bullish on that one, brother. I'm super bullish on it. I'm super bullish on the video that I uploaded today to the member side. Actually, that's a really solid play in my opinion, especially if you are an XRP fan. That's all I'm going to say about it. It's not XRP, but definitely a gem. Did you watch that one, Johnny? Let me know, buddy. Let me know. What else you guys want to look at? Oh yeah, no, it's got a big future, man. OCAI definitely not a pump and dump in my opinion, anyways. A great AI play, definitely. Definitely. So yeah. Anything else you guys want to look at before I head out of here? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Well, guys, on the members side, keep an eye out. Ooh, Tarax is down 13% all of a sudden. This is dumping pretty good. Members side, keep an eye out, guys. I'm going to release a video there. I'm going to let you guys know what I bought today, and I'm going to let you guys know what I am buying tomorrow and under what conditions. So keep an eye out for that this evening. Bitcoin's holding 26.4. So as long as as long as we're holding 26.4, it's going to stay bullish. All right, guys. Well, if you got nothing else, I think I'm going to go relax, watch a movie, get ready for a long week of work, and yeah. Thanks as always, you guys, for letting me come on and do this. Appreciate all you guys. I love coming on here and having some laughs. Facts, Johnny, all you guys, Elizabeth. We had some great laughs today, guys. Definitely. William was in here first, but I haven't seen him since. I don't know if he stuck around. But yeah, make sure you guys smash the like and subscribe if you're in here and you haven't subscribed yet. Definitely hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss these live streams, guys. And check out L Bank, the link down below for our channel sponsor, copy trading, leverage trading, spot trading, no KYC required. And once again, guys, check out the member side, $4.99 a month. Support the channel. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.